Hello, my name is Beniamin Bataneant. I am a data analyst with btProvider, and in this video I will show you how to create a custom moving average using parameters and calculated fields. A custom moving average allows the users to input the period and the duration of a moving average, enabling them to perform on-the-spot analysis. So let's say that we want to look at a 4-month moving average. We can type in 4 in duration and change the period to month. And we will be able to instantly see the data displayed as a 4-month moving average. Let's create this view together. In this example, we'll be using the Superstore dataset. Let's start by filtering the order date so the results will be easier to see. I'll be filtering it by years and keep just 2021. Good. Now the first thing we need are the two parameters. Let's create the first one. We'll name it duration. It will be an integer, and the current value will set to 6. Now let's create the second parameter. We'll name it period. It will be a string, and we'll input the values in the list. Day, week, and month. Let's display our two parameters. Now we need to create a field for our time axis. Let's create a calculated field. We'll name it period as well. And we'll use a date rank formula. Now for our date part, we'll be using our period parameter. And for the date, let's use order date. We need to change its data type from date and time to date. And we'll display it on columns as continuous. Now we can see if we make changes to the period, this will be reflected in our view. Now we need to create the moving average. We'll drag sales on rows and add a quick table calculation of moving average. Now let's save this field by dragging it, and we will name it sales moving average. Let's edit it. We can see here that the start period is set to -2. This means that the calculation performs a 3-day moving average. So, if we want to implement our parameter as the start point, we need to change this to with our duration parameter and add +1. Okay. Now we can see that our parameter is working as expected. Thank you for watching.